Hi Jaden, I'm making this video just for you to review numbers 27 and 28. Okay, so 27, scroll down. 27, looking at the denominator, I'm going to factor it as x squared minus a, as difference of squares. So it'd be x plus a times x minus a. So the first fraction has a denominator of x minus a, the second one has x plus a times x minus a, and the third one has a denominator of x plus a. So my least common denominator is going to be x plus a times x minus a. Now the first fraction is missing the x plus a in the denominator, so I'm going to multiply times x plus a. So it'll be x times x plus a. The second fraction is missing nothing, so I'm just going to bring down minus, but remember this minus distributes into x squared plus a squared. And then the third fraction is plus, and then I'm missing the x minus a, so I'm going to do a times x minus a. So these, in all these terms in the numerator now needs to be distributed so that I could then add and subtract. So I'm going to distribute. I now have x squared plus ax minus x squared minus a squared plus ax minus a squared, all over my common denominator of x plus a times x minus a. And I'm going to combine like terms. X squared cancels with x squared. And I'm going to combine the two ax's are going to give me 2ax. Sorry, no parentheses there. 2ax, and the two negative a squareds give me minus 2a squared, all over x plus a times x minus a. And then I have a GCF in the numerator of 2a, so I'm going to pull out the 2a times x minus a, right? Because that would give me minus 2a squared. And this would be all over x plus a times x minus a. Now I have common factors. X minus a cancels with x minus a. So my final answer is just everything that's left, which is 2a over x plus a. All right, that's number 27. And then next I'll go over number 28. So in number 28, I have the c, which is really over 1. Sorry, my daughter's here. Okay, so I need to also factor my denominator in the second fraction. That's really c minus 5 times c minus 5. So the first fraction, c over 1, has to get multiplied by both. C minus 5 times c minus 5. That's going to be my least common denominator. C minus 5 times c minus 5. So the first fraction becomes c times c minus 5 times c minus 5. And then the second fraction doesn't get multiplied by anything because you already have the whole denominator, but that minus is going to distribute into 25c minus 5c squared. So here I have a FOIL. So this has to get FOILed here, and then I'll distribute the c. So it's going to be c times, and this is c squared minus 10c plus 25. That's a perfect square trinomial. Minus 25c plus 5c squared, all over my denominator, c minus 5 times c minus 5. And then I'm going to distribute this c in. So I now have c cubed minus 10c squared plus 25c minus 25c plus 5c squared, all over the denominator. And now I'm going to combine like terms. I have positive 25c and negative 25c cancel. I have c cubed, and then negative 10c squared and positive 5c squared give me minus 5c squared, all over c minus 5 times c minus 5. I have a GCF in the numerator of c squared that I can pull out, times c minus 5, all over c minus 5 times c minus 5. And now I can cross cancel the c minus 5s, and I end up with just c squared over c minus 5. All right, so I hope this helps. Thanks. I'll see you tomorrow at Zoom.